Stage 1, FTS was saved.
And there
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
There you can see him with that call out. The entry burn has begun. This burn lasts about 20 seconds long. Just 3 of the 9 M1D engines reigniting. This helps slow the stage down as
Stage 1 entry burn shut down.
This helps slow the stage down as it enters back into the Earth's atmosphere. And as you can see, the engines have shut down, which concludes the entry burn. The next burn coming up for stage 1 will be that center E9 engine igniting for the landing burn in just about 30 seconds from now. While the first stage is landing, we will have second stage engine cutoff 1. So you may hear those call outs happening around the same time.
Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2, FTS was saved.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And there you can see on your left-hand screen, the landing burn has begun on this booster. Let's watch as it touches down on, of course, I Still Love You.
Landing leg deploy.
MVAC shut down.
And awesome
Stage 1 landing
view
confirmed.
of that landing. The Falcon has landed.